seen a worm do that, bro. That's insane. Okay, okay, well I guess that makes sense. Bread. No. if bread, you know. What do you mean? Are we already on ass? Are we already on ass? Wait, did you reset? Hey, wait. When you start the lobby, do you delete the first one? Okay. How'd you get it set to ass so fast? I guess you probably spawned in fast. All right, let's do this. You wanna go fire still? Okay. No, game. Okay, I made it. Yeah. In the ship. Like what? That shouldn't even. Cause there's a thing. Isn't there like a spawn thing where that shouldn't happen? What? Hello? What happened? Did you fall in the pit? Oh my fuck. No way. You know what this? It's only up from here. It's only up from here. I'm ready. I'm ready. It's only up from here. The first thing. It's like standing. It's right on the mine. It's right on the fire exit. It's not even like a foot off. It's like. We're gonna walk in. It's gonna be all hair dryers, and they're all gonna be like $80, and we're gonna make so much money. This is gonna happen. Trust me. I love the soccer ball, bro. Also, I realized the bet, like why I could kick the soccer ball at one time. It's because it was on a level playing field. If it's ever a slight angle, that thing stops kicking like 100%. Like you cannot kick it anymore. Found belt room. Okay, I got bottles. I got 2 items as well. I'm gonna just my looting tendencies, dude. It's actually bad. Oh, you have app. Okay, yeah. Let's just leave then. Hope I don't get lost, bro. Otherwise I die. No. On ass, bro? Alright. And here we are. No, I'm sorry. But you're not lost in the facility, you're lost outside. Say again? Oh, you're in the facility. I'm heading that way. Is a soccer ball of fire, you said? I'm going to do something maybe stupid. What is it? Where's it at? Yeah, you know, let's just leave. It's fine. Yeah, okay, never mind. We'll just leave. Pulling lever. You had a bunch of items. Oh, you know, I thought you had another big one. We don't have. Oh wait, I guess we do have enough. You're right. Or we could get more loot. We could also get more loot and stockpile. I think that's the. You know what we should do? You know what we should do? We should both go fire really quick. We'll both go fire on this day. And we'll. That's what I kind of always think is like. That's the thought of like. If you need more loot. I thought I might have pushed you on accident. I got a big room where apparatus sometimes is, but it's not an apparatus room. Alright, I have 2 items. I'm going to leave, question mark. Alright, let's leave, we got plenty. I have 56. You should give me that big bolt and I'll drop the tea kettle. Listed. I say I have 54 now. Item hole. We can't take the beehive. I set it up for no beehive. I think they will actually. I don't know if they will. Maybe they won't. Maybe they won't. All that I know is I'm taking off. Hey, it was worth it. Toy cube. It was 38 bucks. Company question mark? Okay. We do this. What? We go again. The fact that they accepted that confirm was crazy, because that confirm was kind of like completely. There's a 53 here. So $30 more? Yeah, okay. Wait, put the toy cube is 38. Give the engine burr. Drop the engine off. No! It's so much more. No! The engine. No. Oh, okay. Wait, I'm taking off? Question mark. Okay. Here. Wait, I think we oversold by a lot. No. Okay. Nice, good bro. We're still gonna ball out. Alright. We both going fire or yeah. No, I'm gonna go main. Actually I lied, sorry. It's stormy. It'll just slow us down a lot actually. We should just up down, but it's fine. That's true. It is one of those things where if we do find like a ton of items. That's nice. Come on, give me a loot room. Loot room, please, loot room. This is not a loot room. Oh my gosh. If you get back and I'm not really heading that way, I'm just gonna tell you to leave me. Okay. That's actually crazy. You can kick it, maybe. Yes, that's fair. Yeah, I might as well just jump off a ledge right now. There's no loot in this main entrance at all. Okay, I'll tell you if I make it in time. If not, we'll just leave and go up, down. Or not up, down, we'll just, you know. I have not climbed the ladder yet. You can just take off. I'm not gonna go get that all the time. I missed it! Oh, I'm dead. Okay, that's fine. Bye bye. Where's the light switch? I cannot see. Got it. Is it stormy again? Oh my dude. You're like, wait, are you, did you like lower your mic or something? Okay. Okay. The return of the soccer ball. Alright, I'm gonna poke my head in. If I don't find apparatus, I'm leaving. Come on, apparatus, apparatus. Oh my! Where? No, yeah, I'll help you carry. I'm gonna search the dead end real quick. It actually scared the crap out of me. Oh, dude, I got I think apparatus. Nope, is it? You dead? Probably. Knowing this game, I have never seen a locked door at Maine. Oh my gosh, what? You gave me only one item, right? Bruh. Just die. Oh, I saw the lightning kind of hit close to you. I'm like, just die. Just take off. Just take off. Oh, I lost the ball. No, I didn't. It's right here. It's right here. It's in the corner. Did you get the ball? Yeah, you did. I got it. Oh, it's zapping! It's zapping! Oh, yeah. We do. We have like 348. We should have enough. Oh. It should be. What did you just do? You like broke the switch. You like landed us on ass like right before it changed. I can't see the bottles. Everything but the... Oh, you're right. How much was the present worth? Okay. You got... I don't know, I didn't check. No, tell me if to take off. Alright. What? I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, where the... Can you pick up those bottles real quick? Yeah, because I can't see them. Oh, wait, ass. I Google. Where's that ball at? I don't know what we do with it. Did we lose it? Yeah, we might have just lost the ball. That's fine. Whatever. It's just a soccer ball. It's fine. Yeah. Bro, we're racing time. Oh my gosh, we're gonna lose, bro. No, no. Oh really? What's the... Is second place like to the 12-minute mark or something? Or 13-minute mark? Oh, okay. If we get really lucky, I think we could. Got one item. You're right. We would kind of have to just like fuck off to like knock it to one. That's 20. I hear you, I hear you. Oh, fire's here. Fire's at the dead end. Okay, I picked up your egg, which is a really stupid idea. I don't know why I did that. I'm not dropping it, though. There's a remote up here at main, and then I'm gonna follow you back through fire. This is what I say. I was just about seeing the belt room. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Just poking my head. Just poking my head in. Okay. Bottles and plastic fish. Yeah. Oh, magnifying glass. High value item, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Well, it's like higher. That's so true. I am not lost at all. Oh wait, I have to make a jump. Oh, that sucks so much balls. I might die. I made it. Oh my gosh. Gonna be real true. Didn't think I was making that one. No, there's another jump at main. It's like one of the sideways. Don't pull yet. Don't pull yet. Do not. Under any circumstance, pull. Do not. Pull now. Okay. It sucks that you can't scan the dang ball. Alright, holding off on the egg. It lived. It lived at 41, dude. 208. 208. Land again, yeah? Yeah, we're gonna have to land again. Yeah, we need a pretty good day. Alright, go fire, go fire. I don't know if we're getting sub 20. We might. If we do really good today, we can do sub 20. Yeah, but we could. But the problem is like that could take up time. You're right though. If we don't do, yeah, that's the vote. If we do really good today, and we have like 400 or something, we just go. Wait, what is it? What is it? What is it? What's the price? It's only 30. I hear you. I hear you. It's only what number? Okay. Server room. No. Yeah, I found a tea kettle. I'm gonna search. There's a cookie pan here. Where's Maine from here? Maine is. Uh oh, I'm a little lost because I thought Maine would be a. I thought I found a shortcut back to Maine, but I did not. I did actually. I'm gonna grab this cookie. Okay, wait. Do we want to up down or do we want to try doing a really good day? Alright, I'm leaving. Dude, Zed Dog is crazy. I don't know what it is, because like today when I was doing runs, I ran into like 3 Zed Dogs. Like the one was like really crazy. No, maybe it was 2 actually. No, because it was 2. Cause the night before we got a Zed Dog as well. We did. It was that's like insane. It's like a. Is it .012 or is it .1? It's definitely .012. I thought assurance and experimentation were equal. I have no idea. Don't pull, don't pull, don't pull. I'm just going, okay. Pull. $93, dog? Wait, no, I think we might be okay. Oh no, we're. Wait. Oh no, you're right. No. No wait, cause. Oh wait, I have 451 here actually. Wait, how is that even possible? 451. No, I have 451. Oh, we need 513. Whatever, bro. The soccer ball's still here. We could have gone! Take off! Take off! So I don't know. My voice like just died there for a second. I don't know what just happened. Look at him, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. Little Zito. Little Zito. What are you doing to him? You're right, you're right. Get all this stuff in order. We're gonna put it like almost kick the soccer ball outside the thing. Yeah. Oh my, you imagine it just launches both of us out of the ship? Like, man. I can't do it yet. I have to wait until the deadline pops up. There it is. Go, go. I don't think we need to, but but it couldn't hurt to just put everything on and make sure we got it. So. Hey, what was that about a sub 21 run? We're not making it. Hi, doggo. Explosion. It launched me back. It launched me back. Time save. Time save. What do you mean? Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off! No, we are not getting sub 20. We are not getting sub 20. I'm running off the ship. No, don't you dare! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Did we really? Oh. Okay. Oh, we lost 190 bucks. No. Yeah. Dang, that's actually insane. That's not good. That's not. I mean, that's fine. Wait, let's see what place we got if we were to send it in, which I don't know if we want to. I mean, maybe we do, but we could run again. Quota 3, 2 employees, V60. We would be 4th place, right next to another guy, another 2 dudes who did 20. What? Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. I looked at beehives. Did you hear that? Oh, good noise. We'd be like 7th place. Oh no, we'd be 8th place. Alright, run again. You saved the splits? Are we submitting this, or do we want to go again? I guess you're right.